Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on how to properly put on a PlayStation VR headset. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. What I'm going to show you is the official tutorial on the PS5 about putting your VR headset on. I'll show you how to access it from your PS5 so you can rewatch it at any time. From your PS5 dashboard, scroll to the top right of the screen and open Settings. In Settings, scroll down and select Accessories. In Accessories settings, scroll down and select PlayStation VR 2. Now you're in the settings for PSVR 2. Scroll down and select Check how to put on VR headset. This will start an interactive tutorial using your headset. You use the function button on the PSVR headset to move to the next step of each tutorial. So tap that now. Start by pulling out the scope by pressing and holding the scope button. Next, release the headband. Put on your VR headset. Lower the headband. Turn the dial to tighten the headband, and then push the scope around your face. Next, put on your stereo headphones. Your VR headset should now be on properly. It would also be a good idea to select the next setting in the list, adjust lens distance and VR headset position, to ensure your eyes are in the right place. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PSVR 2 tips and tricks.